Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to share real-time location on Google Map with your family member, friend or someone special. It's very simple tips and tricks, and accordingly you can track this person where he's coming and where he's going. So how to do it, we will see detailed demonstration on mobile screen. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply open here Google Map, and this is my Google Map. Currently I'm leaving XYZ location. As a consider, I already sign up this account, and here is my profile. Top of the screen, if I tab here, so several option is automatically display here. One of the option is display here location sharing. If you tab here, so look at this, location sharing is coming on. Turn on background app reference setting to keep your live share. I always off this one because of no need to tracking someone as live me, but you can on this one. How to on? Just simply tap this one and very easily fix. Go to the setting, turn on your live location. If you click, so automatically this option is activated. Skip this one. And how to share this one? You can, currently I am living here in my home, so here share via link. You just simply copy this link, share this link someone as a demo point of view. I just simply paste here and boom, someone or specially tap this particular link, so he or she very easily recognize where is your live location. This is a simple process. One more process is happening here. You can stop this sharing also. You can share directly on the specific person also. Here tap and choose one of the person option also coming here, so you can share this your live location like iMessenger, Tesla application also, and different social media application also. You just simply select one of this application, very easily send your live current location. I just simply send it to this particular contact. This is live location. After that I send it this live location of this particular contact. So look at this, the contact person are very easily recognize my live location if someone are tap this link. This is a process to share your live location someone. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.